Here we have the current stock market update from MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you do find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is a 2-hour time frame. I did want to sort of take a bit of a step out, try not to focus too in depth on these shorter term price movements here, because what is happening at the moment is, fairly obvious. I mean, there's a lot of downside price movement at the moment, and I think that if we sort of focus on these shorter term time frames, it does become a bit difficult to sort of understand what's going on in the bigger picture. So, I just wanted to go back to, really when I kind of started covering this stock, which was during this price movement from $4 per share into roughly $9.38 per share. The reason that I found out about this stock was because there was just so much activity on YouTube. There were so many different, stock trading videos that were about this that somehow it wound up in my feed. I'd never heard of the stock before. So I thought that I would take a look at what is going on here. And, it became quite obvious pretty quickly that share prices, even though they were moving higher quite in a way that was quite fast, this just didn't really look sustainable in any way. I mean, there's really no underlying reason within the business to suggest that, share prices are likely to start to see a major reversal here and start to move higher. Obviously, if we look out on the longer term timeframes here, it does become quite obvious very quickly that most of the momentum is in the negative direction. So I don't want to focus on that too much at the moment. I mean, I do want to just look at these sort of near-term price movements because there are so many instances, so many situations where this downside price movement was just totally predictable. I think the last time I covered the stock here, I think we were looking at this $6.30 area as the price zone that would need to be broken in order for me to change my viewpoint. In order for me to start to say that the chart outlook here was positive, I did need to see roughly this $6.30 area broken to the top side. So as we can see here, this never occurred. I mean, share prices just we started to see, these small spikes higher. And there were, there were just many videos on YouTube saying, this is it, it's coming, $100 per share. It's coming. Get ready. Watch this video before tomorrow. Don't miss out. Buy this stock and get rich. All of these, very clickbaity, just YouTube videos. And as we can see here, these bounces were just very minimal. They really didn't go anywhere. And we didn't come anywhere near my pivot point, which was $6.30. That's why I didn't change that on this video. That is why, this area is still marked on the chart. So, as we can see here, we just continue to move lower. And now share prices have now broken through two very important levels of support. So first we can point to this area here, which is right around $4.80. Okay, and then that break of $4.80 really did test then this $4 area that was seen previously. This would have happened during right around September 19. So, a break of 480 targets $4, and then a break of $4 tests, it tests nothing. There's nothing at this current level. There are no more support zones to be found to the downside. This is now the all-time low. So, it's as bearish as it could possibly be. And, a lot of this was predictable. I mean, we're really feeling at very predictable price zones. So all of this could be seen in advance. And the people that held on to this stock, and argued with me and were fighting with me. Look, I mean, fighting with me is perfectly fine. You can even call me an idiot. That's perfectly fine too. But you have to have an underlying reason to disagree. I mean, there's got to be a reason there. You have to call me an idiot for a reason. Like that's the only rule. Like you can, I don't have a problem with the insults or whatever, but there has to be a reason behind it. And there really wasn't much of a reason at all. It was just, I don't agree with you, or do the opposite of what this guy says. I mean, that's not enough. Like you need more than that if you're going to put real money on the line here. And I know that everybody that was in those comments before are losing money. I mean, I think a lot of them could come into the comment section here and say, that's not true. I bought at, what was the spike here? $4.18. And then you sold at, you could have bought, there's a green candle here. You could have bought at $4.18 and then sold at $4.88. You could have made 70 cents, but it's a little hard for me to believe that you did that, because that's the absolute bottom and then the absolute top. I mean, do you understand how difficult it is to catch the absolute bottom and the absolute top? It's basically impossible. I mean, it's not something you can expect to do. You certainly can't expect to do it reliably to do it again and again. I mean, if you somehow get lucky one time, that doesn't mean that it's going to happen again in the future. And we were talking about this prior trend line here. If we start to see a break below this trend line, you could start to see significant price movements. And the only way I'm going to sort of reverse my viewpoint here would be if we see a break above this 38.2% Fibonacci retracement at $6.30. None of that happened. All that happened here was we broke through this uptrend line, failed at the exponential moving average cluster, and then continued to move in the downside direction through support levels, and we're now trading at all-time lows. So anybody that was making comments in the prior video, you really do need to explain yourself at this point. What are you thinking? I mean, are you still holding the position? Do you still disagree without coming up with a reason? Where's Jeff Colbert? Hey, Jeff, what do you think now? Geez Louise. Where's Geez Louise? Where's Leroy? Where are these people? You know what I'm saying? I mean, all these people that were just saying, do the opposite of what this guy says. I mean, look, I don't have a position in this stock either way, not positive or negative. I don't benefit in any way from telling people, that the stock is going in a certain direction. The opposite is true for the people that are holding positions in this stock. If you have a long position, you want to take as many people as you can for the ride. And then if you can get, I don't know, a couple thousand people to watch the video, maybe they think that, that's going to be enough to bring share prices higher. It's really not. I mean, it's just not enough. Like you would need way more than that. So, I mean, people really need to be honest about what's going on here. I mean, there is no light at the end of the tunnel. We're currently trading at all-time lows. And I know that some people are going to write in the comments, somebody is going to say this is the perfect time to buy. It's cheap. You should buy it right now. Well, guess what? That person also doesn't know what this company produces. What does the company make? Okay, before you say that, you have to explain to me, what did they do exactly? Nobody knows what they do. Nobody knows what they produce. That means there's no reason to buy the stock, and you're throwing your money in the garbage, and you're lighting it on fire. It's no different. It's exactly what's going on here. So here's the current market update for MicroCloud HOLOGRAM, stock ticker HOLO. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.